Most people think that building a website for their dessert shop is going to be complicated and it's going to be expensive as well. Today, I'm going to be showing you that's definitely not the case. You can build a simple and affordable website on the Mighty Sites platform for your dessert shop. Now, if you haven't heard of Mighty Sites before, welcome to our YouTube channel. We pretty much built the platform to remove all the barriers for small businesses, solopreneurs, people with various side hustles, so they can have a professional, effective, and easy to upload website for only $9 a month. There is a free trial available for 7 days. No credit card details are needed. So make sure you click on the link below this video to start that free trial. Once you join the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you at the top is to search for your markets. Now, we've got hundreds of different markets to choose from for various small businesses. We are adding more markets every single week. Let's head to the top and search for our market, dessert shop. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Excellent. Let's tell Marty us a few basic details about our dessert shop so it can generate a simple website for us. Pop in your business name, your city, your state or region. Doesn't matter where in the world your business is operating from, you can enjoy the Mighty Site service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Once you click on continue, Mighty Sites will automatically generate a simple website for your business and bring up this pop-up showing you how to customize your new website in under 30 seconds. Don't worry about that for now because today I'm going to be the one to show you the ropes. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've actually pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course. We've also pre-selected all the images as well. They're all really high quality. They're completely free for you to use as well, and they look absolutely delicious. However, I'm sure you've got some of your own images of all the amazing desserts you're serving up in your dessert shop. You want to showcase it on your website. Maybe you want to make one or two amendments to this content. Perhaps you don't offer all these services or products in your dessert shop. You can absolutely do so. It's super simple. You don't need to know coding. You don't need to be a web professional in any kind of way. And you certainly don't need to hire a professional to help you with this either. You can literally do it all yourself, even if you're not that tech savvy. So let's get started. I'm going to click on the first section at the top, put in my various contact details. Over here, I want to make sure that that is visible for my customers to see. So let's go ahead and tick that box. Awesome. Phone number is click to call, by the way. And physical location, when your website's live, your customers can actually click on that address and be taken directly to Google Maps for directions. Underneath upload social links, put in the various links for your social media platforms. Once you've done so, the icons will be displayed at the top as well as at the bottom of your website. Now, if you have a business logo, head on over to the next section to upload it over here. Once it's been uploaded, you can crop it, rotate it, add filters or frames by clicking that little pencil. Otherwise, here on the right is where you can resize your logo. You can make it bigger and smaller to fit into the section a bit better. Now, to change the colors used throughout your Mighty Sites website, click on that paint bucket bottom right-hand corner. Go through the various color palette options to choose from. There are so many different colors to choose from, suitable for your business. Just scroll through them and select one that suits your business best. I like that one. Awesome. Now, for each section you want to make a bit more personalized to your very own business, click on that update section button. Underneath update images, where you can browse your device and upload your own images, or search through the photo library. There's hundreds of free high quality images to choose from. You also have the option to connect your Instagram accounts if you have a profile and automatically pull in those photos. Underneath update action, we have those call to action buttons. You can change the text in the buttons and where they link to. If you offer an online ordering system, you can put in the URL through a third party here. Otherwise, you can upload your menu under the PDF file option. And the last section at the bottom is where you can put in your opening hours for your business, for your customers' convenience. Head on over to update hours, put in the various opening hours for each day of the week. Once you click on save, the page will automatically reload after saving to display your hours in that section at the bottom. If you have a custom domain, you can connect it by clicking on that yellow button at the bottom. If you don't have a custom domain, you can actually click on that button as well and purchase a custom domain via the Mighty Sites platform as well. It's that simple and convenient. Really hope that short tutorial was helpful in building a simple website on the Mighty Sites platform for your dessert shop. And I'm really wishing you and your business Mighty success.